Take a look at some throwback cards. We got Derek Coleman, USA cards, little deadlift shrimp, all that. Oh, some autograph, Walt Williams, Mitch Richmond. Hey, some Mitch Richmond autographs, Lionel Simmons. Hey, Dwayne Coswell, Lionel Simmons, L Train, Randy Brown, Bobby Hurley, autographs. Mike Pazowski, what? Oh, we got Big Shaq, dog. We got some heat. Karl Malone. I wonder how much these shits is worth. Grant Hill, Penny. Oh, we got a Memphis Penny. Oh, the Magic Man. Oh, these sick. Hill versus Jordan. What y'all know about the Topps Black Gold series? They got a Phil Jackson card. Oh, my goodness. Robert Parrish in the building. Tower of Power series. Dennis Rodman with the Spurs. Wow, more Derek Coleman. Let's check all these out. Zoe, College Zoe. Got some heat. GP, rookie card, lottery pick. The glove, C-Webb, Rick Smicks. C-Webb. Oh, J Kidd, Cal, the Raptors when they first came out. Okay, Isaiah Thomas. We got some 3D cards. The future playoff MVP, Cliff Robinson, Clyde Drexler. This is before Dame and CJ. What y'all know about them? Oh, my goodness. John Starks. Silky. Look at them. Okay. Human highlight reel. Dominique. Human highlight film. Okay, let's go. Man, look at these. Lindsey Hunter, Grant Hill, Duke, Isaiah, Dream Team, Isaiah Ryder, more Isaiah Thomas, Joe Dumars, Vin Baker, Jamal Mashburn. What y'all know about that? Chris Mullin, All-Star, Kevin Johnson, Sean Kemp. Wow. Sean Kemp, Deadlift Shrimp, Kendall Gill, Reggie, Eddie Johnson, Reggie, more Jamal, Slam Dunk Heroes. Look at these, Hakeem the Dream. Oh my goodness. This card collection got to be stupid. This is stupid. John Stockton, Magic Johnson, Irvin Johnson, James Worthy, Kukoc. More autographs. Mike Poplawski, Glenn Rice, Mahmoud. Ooh, couple Mahmouds in there, boy. Stop playing with me. Christian Laettner, Chris Mills, Mark Price, Tim Hardaway. Look at that collection of Timmy. Bam. Bam. More GP. That's fire. Whew. That's fire. Goodness. Chris Mullin. Pat. Look at them. Whew. Damn, what a series. Barkley, Sir Charles, boy. Hoiberg, Hakeem, Sam, Pat. I got coaching cards, Chuck Daly in them. Scottie Pippen in them. Whew. Mo Pip. Tom Gugliotta. The Admiral, 50-point club. Ooh, them is spicy right there, Reggie. Ooh, look at that, Kobe. Larry Hughes, though. Stephon Marbury, AI. Latrell. Mo Timmy. Then we got your boy Jordan. What you know about the Jordan golf card? 50-point club. League leaders. All-star. MJ. Fleer, 90 series. Oh my goodness. Coutinho and Grandmama. Larry Johnson. Stop playing. Let's go.